this unicorn, it's here to tell you that this one it's our last video of our Scottish journey. Well, actually it ends in Wales, and it's just a few minutes of us visiting a castle in Monmouth, and after that we came back home to Kent, and there will be another video of us in London, and that's about it. We finished UK and we come back to France, and there will be a few videos in France, and wait for it, we went to Brazil, and there will be a series of us in Brazil. So that's it. Hope you like the videos. If you did, please consider giving us a thumbs up, like that. To go for a walk. Look, but it's very cold. Quiet, pretty anyway. So yeah, actually I have to go to the shops and do something in the garden, so I better get dressed and do stuff. So see you later. Bye. What if he's going in? Completed in 1673 by the 3rd Marquis of Worcester. Became an ass. It's called, huh? Worcester. Blah blah blah. You read it. It's a castle. That does not look like a castle. There is some tanks and stuff. Oh, there's a old bit. Yeah, this was the Great Hall built in 1270. And there was a fireplace, and there's just 2 windows left and part of the tower. That's it. Dun, 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 dun. Let's have a look at the tower. Cannot go in. Yeah. Enamel things. take?
We've
Two?
got 4 rolls. 2 rolls each. 2 pieces of bacon per roll.
2 rolls each. You got 2.